Now, let's talk about how to find freelance writing opportunities. So once you've chosen your niche, the next thing now, of course, is to consider ways of finding writing opportunities. Now, remember, we'll still talk about this in this course, so I'm just introducing you to this. So there are 4 main ways to find writing opportunities as a writer. The first one is freelance marketplace. So these are marketplaces that clients and writers meet. Clients and freelancers meet and make a trade. So a good example is Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Then we have job boards like ProBlogger, Freelance Writing Jobs, and of course journalismjobs.com. So these are only places where you post jobs. I'm sure you're aware of a website like Fusu. So that's a job board, yeah. And then we have social media and online networking. Then we have called pitching to potential clients. So we'll dive deeper into this because I've realized in my experience, this is the best way to find clients. Besides this, of course, the clients you find here pay less than the one you find through cold pitching.